Well, hiya, today is post-op day. I did not do anything to my hair other than moisturize it. I did style it for today just because I had to go to the DMV, but I gotta go back tomorrow. So, y'all know how that goes. It's post-op day 174. So I look crazy right now because I have had an extremely long trip and I have not washed my hair, but I will get to that tomorrow and get back to my regular routine. But this is post-op day 175. Dates. So I did manage to wash my hair. I am slicking it back so I can get ready to style it for the rest of my week. As I mentioned to you guys, I am washing my hair every 3 to 5 days, and I've been loving that routine actually. So it's been keeping my hair very hydrated and moisturized. This is post-op day 176. I know this particular week has been quite boring for me, but I will say that I've been on the move. I've been moving some stuff around. So now that I am settled in my home, you guys, which I'm really, really happy. I'm settled into my home, or I am getting settled into my home. Now that I'm here, I can get back to work. So all the videos that I said that I was gonna do, all the promising, all the products, everything that I've been talking about up until this journey, I am going to be getting ready to post that very soon. I've just been all over the world and I just need to focus. I would like to deliver my messages to you guys without any interruption. So I am very, very happy that you guys are very patient. Thank you guys so much for sticking around for all the things that I have to talk about, for supporting me, continuing to watch and support my hair journey. And I would like to say still congratulations to the ones who have done their hair transplants. So many people have done their hair transplants so far, and I hope you guys are now getting the taste of growth for, you know, I know some of you guys probably still might be in shock loss phase, but I would just want to say congratulations for you guys making the next steps to your next goal of happiness. And I'm very happy and supportive of that. And I thank you guys so much for being a part of this journey. I really just want to keep my hands out of my hair. I just want to style the front and just go. So my next plan is to get a half wig, a human hair half wig, because the one that I have, it only lasted for a little while, but I'm tired of that just because I'm not happy with that. That's sidetrack, but that's just how I feel. So I am going to be looking to do some protective hairstyles with some half wigs, with some V-part wigs, with some U-part wigs, just to give me that length, to give me that style without really tampering with my hairline, so I can be happy all around. I did moisturize my hair. It's pretty much all. It's post-op day 177. And today I didn't do anything. My hair is looking a little rough and it's lacking a little moisture just because I have been doing too much, and that's okay. I just need to pick it back up, you know? So I got to get back into routine of doing my hair, moisturizing it. And I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I've been even MIA on my prenatal vitamins and everything. So everything kind of like, I tried to keep up as much as I could, but I'm here. So what can I do about the past? Absolutely nothing. But moving forward, I will continue to put more effort and get back on track with my hair routine regimen. This is post-op day 178. So I did moisturize my hair today. I'm excited because I have a new hairstyle coming up for you guys with human hair. I have had quite the struggle with half wigs, with them being synthetic. So I'm excited for this new phase. But of course, tomorrow is wash reset day, and I am going to do that. This is post-op day 178 or 179. Today is post-op day 180, and today was wash reset day. I did manage to wash my hair. Didn't think I was gonna make it. Excuse my skin because I just got a lot going on. But anyways, Yeah, I was able to wash my hair, deep condition, and whatnot for today. Although I did have a really great day creating content as far as like making my live. Today I was able to go live on YouTube and also TikTok just to update you guys on my life. My life has been a little busy, so I was able to kind of do a Q&A with my audience on both sides. Just in case if you guys missed it, make sure you guys are following me on multiple platforms just so that you guys are able to get your answers answered during those times. I know I've been kind of like busy and all over the place, but there's some people who don't think that I don't have a personal life, and I do. I just recently moved across the country. I mean, I'm talking like 2-3 days worth of moving across the country, and I'm not giving any grace time to pack up there, drive across the country, and also spend time with my family and friends. Also, while having a death in the family, like, you guys got to be, you guys got to be a little bit more understanding that I am not going to be able to answer every single question that you want right away. I do want to apologize if I have not been able to get to you guys' questions fast enough for you. I am doing the very best that I can. But I will definitely say most of the answers are already out that you guys are already asking. So there's multiple videos, everything that I've been through, I've already talked about it. So I just hope that you guys are patient and as understanding with this situation, just because, like I said, I am human. I deserve a day off or two, even if I decide to go on vacation or so for however long, just till I get my life right, because I don't want to be rushed whenever I make my content, especially for you guys. Like, I want it to be well thought out, well presented, and that way you guys, can intake what I'm saying. But hopefully that wasn't too much. I just had to give that spill just because it was just a little nice, nasty note that I got today that I was not responding to everybody regarding this situation of a hair transplant. And I'm sorry, I cannot be there every day. I'm just letting you guys know that. But other than that, I have picked up a really cool technique as far as like moisturizing my hair and defining my curls. Every time I wash my hair, my curls pops every single time. So can't wait to show you guys that method. But this is post-op day 180. And I will see you guys next week on post-op day 181.